All right, welcome back. We are in module number 2 of this 3-part mini course training series on the 3 things to stop doing in your business today. Today. So how did module 1 go for you? Do you still have that employee mindset? Are you thinking more like a leader? Are you doing the right activities? It's a process. I want you to try it on for a week, okay? I'm serious. I want you to try it on and see how it works for you and let me know. But we're going to move along. We're going to move along to module number 2. But remember what module number 1 was about? Being stuck in your business, wearing too many hats, having that employee mindset. We don't want that anymore. I mean, who does? So remember the steps we talked about taking in module number 1. But let's move on to module number 2. And today is another doozy. And I'm telling you, you might not like this one, but this one could set you free. Stop ignoring the numbers. Let's get our head out of the sand. Let's stop being ignorant about the financials of our business. I'm not saying you are that way, but you might be. A lot of people are. Ignorance is really not bliss. Trust me, I know this from my own experience. It's not going to get better by ignoring the numbers. Don't confuse revenue from income. Don't constantly think about revenue and not think about profit. I used to be part of a franchise a long time ago in one of my first businesses. And the franchise used to have monthly sales derbies. And everybody wanted to be like this franchisee, or this unit because of the sales, the revenue. What they didn't know was the people who were first and second and at drastically much higher than everyone else weren't necessarily profitable. So it's not all about revenue. You want to be able to make money, and you're profitable when you're also paying yourself. So let's not be ignorant about the numbers. That's the thing we're going to stop doing. But instead, what we're going to start to do is we are going to learn what the important numbers are for your business. You need to know what gross profit means and COGS. And if you're wondering what COGS are, case in point, cost of goods. Okay, cost of goods sold. Reach out, like we talked about in module number 1, building a team around you. Reach out to an accountant or a bookkeeper, someone who could advise you on and educate you on these numbers. Reach out to me. We can have a conversation. I know a lot of people who can actually help you in this case, in this area. But don't ignore the financials. Don't ignore the numbers. Number 2, stop judging this is a big one. Stop judging your business success by your bank balance. I mean, come on. Everything's on our phone, right? We've got our online banking on our phone. We look at it and we go, oh, I got some cash in the bank. Good. There we go. Trust me, again, I know this from experience. And then let's say you have a bookkeeper or payroll comes around and you forgot you got payroll, but you also have tax remittances, payroll remittances, so on and so forth. You don't have what you thought you had in the bank. So there's certain tools and strategies and steps you could take to ensure that you do. But your bank balance does not indicate the success of your business. The more you can bring someone else, the more you're aware of what's going on, what those monthly expenses are, when they come out of your bank account, the more you are on top of it. I haven't even talked about receivables or payables. All of this, you've heard the term cash flow is king or cash is king. It is. Cash flow is king. Cash flow is critical. And when we go living by our bank balance and not knowing what's coming down the road with remittances and payables, vendors we have to pay, and staff we have to pay, or subcontractors we have to pay, is going to be a shock every single time. So if you're still with me, if you haven't clicked off because you want to remain ignorant, then good for you, because it's going to get good, right? It's going to get good, because the third one is stop working for free. Now you might be saying, oh, Marshall, I'm not working for free. Stop working for free. Stop devaluing your product or your service or you. Know your numbers. Know your expenses. Value what you offer your clients and charge for it. Again, it's really important. I'm going to say it again. Don't ignore the numbers. It can be scary. And that's why that ignorance is bliss saying comes out. But it's not bliss. And it doesn't have to be scary when we are aware, when we have the knowledge. Knowledge is power, and you'll know what to do. You don't want to continue doing the same thing and continue to get the same results. And stop working for free. Okay. Charge your service or your product for the value it offers and does for your clients. Okay. So again, that's the end of module number 2. We have one more module, which you're going to absolutely love, which is coming up shortly. If you haven't joined our Facebook group community, go for that. Reach out to me. Again, I'd love to hear some insights, takeaways, all that kind of good stuff. And we will see you on the next and final training.